Good morning, students. Today, our topic is working with NumPy array. How we will access them individually or with other array elements. So let's discuss about the first topic today, that is accessing individual element using array indexing. Array indexing means every element has a place, and this place is called array indexing. So for 1D array and for 2D array we will discuss what is the indexing and how the element is stored. So first of all, we are discussing about the 1D array. In 1D array we are going to store the elements like 17, 23, 11, 18 and 19. Student, 17 is on 0 index, 23 on first index, 11 on second index, 18 on third index and 19 on fourth index. You know that index always run n minus 1, means number of n means number of elements minus 1. You can see that here number of elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 minus 1 equals to 4. The last index will be 4, and you can see that is here. Last index is 4. Index has two types. One is positive and second is negative. One is positive and second is negative. Positive index start with 0 and negative start with 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But it will not run with n minus 1. Okay. So for negative indexing we are not using n minus 1. Now the student, for 2D array. In 2D array, one side, this side is called row and this side is called column, or we can say axis 0 and axis 1. In this 0 axis we are having two rows, 0 and 1, and in columns 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 columns are there and 2 rows are there. So we already studied that this is 2 by 5. Now here positive and negative both indexing are here. Student, first we are having 17, 23, 11, 21 and 19, the first row, and the second row 55, 33, 28, 27, 35, all that. Okay. Indexing is clear. Now array slicing. Array slicing means we will divide our array according to our choice, according to our results that we are getting the results. So for that one we will divide our array, that is called slicing. For that one we are having array name and from what index you want to start and on what index you want to stop, and how many steps you want to jump. Okay. So this is for 1D array and this is for 2D array. Give the name of array, starting of your row, ending of your row means from what row you want to start and on what row you want to stop it. Okay, and row step, how many steps you want to repeat or you want to jump. Then like that one for column, these are for first row and this one is for column. Column start, column stop and column step. Okay, so there are one column and then one column. Two columns are there between start of row and stop of the row. One column is there and step of the row, one column is there. Okay, this is very important thing, that how we are using these columns. So this one for the column also. Now the students, one array we have. In that array we are having the different elements are there. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 rows and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows and 5 columns. This is the array that has 4 rows and 5 columns. Row in this side and column in this side. This is row indexing and this is column indexing. These are the elements in this array, and the name of this array is ARY. What is the name of this array? ARY. So one by one example we will understand that how to slice. Let's see that in first example, students, array also there, you can see. Okay, so according to that array we are having the ARY is the name of array. Now you are giving colon and then 3, colon and then 3. You understand that colon means starting is not given, starting is not given, but ending is given. So ending is 3, or 3 minus 1 equals to 2. 3 minus equals to 2. So because this is for row only, column not given, only for row, this part only for row. So starting not given, then 0, 1 and ending is 2. 0, 1, 2. 3 row will represent 0, 1, 2. This is for row. Now the second portion starting from 3, starting from third column. So this is third column, starting from third column, and end is not given, so end is 4. So we'll write that 5 minus 1 equals to 4. So which column will represent? Column number third and column number 4. So what will be the answer of this one? This answer will be, let's see that 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. These are the rows, and they are columns third and fourth. So third and fourth column is 8, 10, 18, 20, or 20, 30. This is the answer of this one. Okay, so you can see that this answer of this one, start, stop, everything will be given here. Start from 0, stop, third, step, every, because start is not given, then starting not given, then by default is 0 start point. Stop is third. Okay, and then third means n minus 1, so our last one is 2, and step is 1. By default every element it will count. Okay, so this is for row, and the next one is for column. Column starting from 3, and stop not given, then last element, and step not given, then by default 1. Okay, so the answer of this question is, you can see that 8, 10, 18, 20, 28 and 30. By this one he is asking that 0, 1, 2. These 3 rows, 2 columns represented by this question. In this question he asked that for row portion till the third row, and the column portion start from third. So as we know that third and fourth, third and fourth, third and fourth, 4, 0 row, 1 row, and 2 second column. Clear this one? Okay students, now in the second example, in the next example, the name of array is ARY, and here we are giving the starting of row is 1 and ending is not given. Starting of row is 1, ending is not given, but step is 2. It means every second element, first rows every second element, it start from 1 to last रो कितना है उस तक जाएगा. लास्ट रो को पता है 4 है, till 4 we will move. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 rows, and in 4 rows every second means एक छोड़ के एक आपको उसमें देना है, एक जंप आपको उसमें देना है. So it means it start from first, then this is first row. Okay, this one is the first row, then every second, then leave that one, then this one, because there is no any row. So 12, 32, 14, 34, 16, 36 and 20, 40. So this is the answer of this one. You can calculate this answer according to these steps. Starting is 1, stop is not given, and the last element will be there. 1 is first row, and the step is 2. Means every second row we have to represent. Okay, now you can see the output here: 12, 14, 16, and 32, 34, and 36. 6. Okay, so this is the answer. It's given row wise and column wise both. You can see that not given, then the answer is there. Now the next example is, in the next example, array starting is not given, ending is not given, but every third row. So if starting is not given, then starting always with 0. Okay, ending not given, then till the last element. Okay, and jump is given, step is given, so step is 3. इट मीन्स एवरी थर्ड एलिमेंट, मीन्स हमें बीच में से 2 रो जंप करनी है. फर्स्ट रो दिखानी है 0 दिखानी है, फिर 1 और 2 को जंप करना है, थर्ड शो करनी है, फिर 4 5 को जंप करना है, 6 शो करनी है. ओके, इफ़ इट इज़ अवेलेबल दैन. सो इन रो एंड कॉलम बोथ ओनली स्टेप आर गिवन, नॉट स्टार्टिंग एंड एंडिंग पॉइंट आर गिवन. सो इट्स आंसर इज 2 6 10 and 32 36 40. Okay, and in the last, in that question, because the indexing are given in the negative, we can see that it's starting from -3. So -3 start means R start -3, a stop -1, and step is 1. It means we are going to start with -3. -3, you can see that one, -3 is here. Okay, this is given. So which one is -3? This is -3, and where we have to go? We have to go till -1. But you know that array always goes with, indexing always goes with n minus 1. So -1 and -1, this is -2. So we will represent only 2 index, -3 and -2. These 2 rows we will represent. Okay, now we'll see that what is the jump is there. So every third, what they are having, every third. Okay, so every third means where are start? Start here. So let's see in the column also. So you can see the result here. Every third means 3 and 2, or then 12, then 16, and then 20. So 12 14 is the jump of that one. Okay, in the column every second, not this one. Okay, every minus third to minus third to -1. Okay, no jump is given, sorry, no jump is given, that's why third and 2 and 3, and it is start from -5. So -5 to not ending is given, so it will comes through there. Okay, -5, then -4, -3, -2, -1. Okay, because ending is not given, that's why ending is not given. Starting is -5, ending is not given, but jump of every second. So एक छोड़ के एक आपको रिप्रेजेंट करना है, 5, then 3, and then 1. 4 row number 3 and row number 2. So its answer will be in these 2 rows. This one, then this one, and this one, then this one, then this one, and then this one. Each one छोड़ा. So this is called array slice. Student, in the next class I will discuss about our new syllabus that is reduced by 30% by the government. So we will discuss about that in the next class. Thank you.